Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power, and liftoff of CRS-26. Go Falcon, and happy Thanksgiving, ISS.
That's right, liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket for the 26th cargo resupply mission, bringing new science experiments and solar arrays to the International Space Station.
You can see Falcon 9 carrying CRS-26 on its way to the International Space Station. We are throttling down the engines on the first stage. This helps us prepare for max Q, which is maximum dynamic pressure. It's the largest structural load that the vehicle sees on ascent. And we should be passing through that period. In a few seconds here. That call out that we passed through Max Q. Great views there of Falcon 9 carrying NASA's CRS-26 mission. We are coming up on a few events happening back to back. That's going to be MECO, or main engine cutoff, as the first event. That's where all 9 of the M1D engines shut down on that first stage, all 9 of those engines that you see lit up on your screen there. And that's in preparation for the next event, which is stage separation. That's where the first and second stage separate. The first stage will flip around and make its way back down to Earth and land on our drone ship named Just Read the Instructions, while the second stage ignites its Merlin MVAC engine to boost Dragon to low Earth orbit during SES-1, or second stage engine start 1. And the last event is the boost back burn to reduce the velocity of the first stage in preparation for atmospheric re-entry. And that whole sequence takes about 30 seconds, and we are coming up on those few events happening here in a few seconds.
And MECO. Stage separation confirmed. Stage 1 boost back startup. Stage 2 ignition.
Some really cool views there. We had MECO, stage separation, the MVAC engine lighting up on your right-hand screen. We also saw the first stage kind of in the view of the second stage view there, falling back to Earth, doing a flip, and now in its boost back burn. That burn lasts about 30 seconds long.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And there's that call out, and the boost back burn has shut down on the first stage. That is the left-hand screen. That's a view of the first stage there. On your right-hand screen, a view from the second stage looking at our MVAC engine. And you can see on your screen, on your left-hand screen, the grid fins are deploying on that first stage. Very cool views. You're watching a live webcast for the 26th commercial resupply mission to the International Space Station for NASA. This is SpaceX's 54th mission for 2022 and the 5th Dragon flight to the International Space Station just this year. Now, we lifted off just about 4 minutes ago from Kennedy Space Center at Launch Complex 39A.